Hello? Hey, is this Dan?
Who's asking?
It's me, Zachary. We went to high school together. Remember science class?
Zach, how's it going, man? Sorry, I thought you were one of those blood-sucking creditors. You know, they keep calling me and they're like, you have to pay back the money you owe. And I'm like, dude, I wouldn't have borrowed the money in the first place if I had it. How you doing? It's been forever. Probably been since high school. What was that, like 10, 12 years ago? Right? If you haven't heard, Nate is cleaning businesses and houses all over the Quad Cities. Oh, interesting. Speaking of business, you remember how I used to handle my business on that football field? Dude, I really think I could have gone pro if it wasn't for the old injury, you know? By the way, have you seen my ex, Tiffany? She's huge. She's gotten so fat. Yeah, dude. She's pregnant. She's having triplets. Anyway, Neat also offers junk removal. So if you or anyone you know needs junk removed, Neat can do that for you too. You know who really had some junk in the trunk back in the day? Woo-wee! Yeah, you know what? I'm actually getting another call, so I'm gonna have to let you go, but it's been great catching up, man. Yeah, take care. Yikes. Some people love talking about their glory days in high school. Neat cares about cleaning. Neat professional cleaning services for your home and business. Call 563-293-3558.